Good day everyone! Today, let's tackle the competencies in COC2. So we have three tasks in COC2, which include terminating cables, ad hoc connection, and peer-to-peer connections. So these are important skills used in setting up and connecting computers in a simple network. So first task is terminating cables. First, we will terminate the straight-through cable using the correct color coding: white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. So before terminating our cable, we must first prepare the necessary tools and materials. LAN tester. It used to test the connectivity of our LAN cable. So this will be used after we finish terminating the cable. Next is crimping tool. It used to cut the wires and crimp or tighten the wires into the RG45 connector. How can I forget? Our LAN cable. This cable is used to connect devices in a network. So this will be used in connecting different devices. Next is our RG45 connector, the jack where the Ethernet cable is inserted, connecting the devices like computers, routers, and switches to create a local area network or our LAN. And lastly, our wire stripper. It used to strip or trim the outer covering of the LAN cable. Let's proceed to the procedures on how to terminate a cable. First, get the LAN cable and use the wire stripper to cut and remove the outer cover or skin of the cable. After removing the cover, separate and untwist the wires so they will be easier to arrange according to the correct color coding. For the straight-through cable, arrange the wires in this order: white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green. Then, use the crimping tool to tighten and secure the wires inside the RG45. Once the crimping is done, check the connection using the LAN tester. In a straight-through cable, the LED indicators will light up with the same numbers on both sides, which means the cable is correctly connected. For the crossover cable, follow the same process of stripping, separating, and arranging the wires, but use a different color coding. For the crossover cable, the color coding are white green green, white orange blue, white blue orange, white brown brown. After inserting the wires into the RG45 connector and crimping it, test the cable using the LAN tester. In a crossover cable, the LED indicator numbers will not match in order because the transmitting and receiving pairs are crossed. And that completes the process of terminating both straight-through and crossover LAN cables. Let's proceed to the next task, which is the ad hoc connection. In the LAN cables, the next procedure in our COC2 is creating an ad hoc connection. In this process, the computer will create a wireless network that other devices such as smartphones or even laptops can connect to it. Also, this allows devices to connect directly to each other without using a router or access point, making it useful for sharing files and creating a small network. Go to CMD or the command prompt and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes, and in the portal, type netsh space WLAN space set space hosted network space mode equals allow space SSID, then type your username, then space K equal to your password, and then click enter. Then type netsh WLAN start hosted network, then type exit after entering that start. And then go to your phone and check the connectivity. So as you can see, there's the username that we've created, and then type the password, and then there, you are connected. So now go to CMD again, then run as administrator, click yes, then type in the netsh WLAN stop hosted network. Hit enter and then type exit again.